Hi everyone, I am Lick. I was born in Malaysia and I have spent 5 years living in the United Kingdom and 2 years living in Australia. I know what it feels like to live in a foreign country speaking a language that is so different from yours. I believe that learning English should be fun and interesting. I will make lessons engaging and we can talk about anything that you find interesting. I have a major in marine biology and I have worked in coral restoration and turtle conservation. So, if that is what gets you excited, we can talk about that and learn English at the same time. I can help improving your pronunciation, your grammar, as well as your vocabulary. I can also help you if you are thinking of living or studying abroad, preparing for an interview or presentation. I speak fluent Mandarin, Cantonese, Hokkien, as well as English, so I could use the different languages to help you during your lesson if you wish to do so. I will also provide supplementary materials such as YouTube videos and flashcards outside of the lessons so that you can use them during your revisions at your own time. Thank you for listening and I hope to see you in class soon. 大家好，我是丽丽，我来自马来西亚，我在英国生活了5年，在澳大利亚生活了2年。我明白一个人在外国生活的感觉，利用新语言沟通的处境。很多时候我们都觉得自己表达不了内心的感受。如果你想要学英语，但是不懂怎么开始，那请你试用我的课程，让我一步一步教会你。我会说普通话、广东话和闽南语，所以如果需要的话，我可以利用这些语言来帮助你学习。我会纠正你的语法、发音，并介绍新的词汇。我还会准备课程以外的学习材料，包括微博视频，让你能够利用学习材料来复习。谢谢收看丽丽学英语，我希望下次可以见到你哦，拜拜。